Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install this app for your Android device and how to set up your speaker with this application. So at first we have to open Play Store on our Android phone and going to search. In the search bar we have to search for JBL PartyBox. Here, as you can see, the second option you can see is JBL PartyBox from Harman Consumer ENC. We have to click Install button. And now let's wait a moment. Now, as you can see, our application is now turned on. And before starting pairing our speaker with our application, the best thing we can do is pairing ourselves with our speaker by Bluetooth before that process. It makes our application easier to find our speaker. Here you have to click Get Started and Accept. Now we have to grant the nearby device permission for our application, and as you can see, my products JBL PartyBox Encore 2. You can tap on our speaker, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.